Hey guys, and welcome to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the chat style on character.ai. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type character.ai and hit on enter right now. Do log in if you already have not. Once you've logged in, this is the homepage of character.ai. At the very end of the screen, that's on the bottom left, you'll find your username right here. Simply click on it. Some settings like this will pop up, like profile settings, back to old site and log out. Simply click on the settings button right here. Now a pop-up like this will open up. Here are the few settings provided like profile, account and preferences. Right here on the preferences section, if you look closely, you will find something like chat style. You will be given three options, that is default, classic and dense. Click on any chat style of your choice and you're done. The chat style has been successfully changed. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you change your chat style on character.ai. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.